Hello friends, welcome to my channel AB Novak. So here I am again there with one interesting topic. So before moving on to the topic, I would like to show you a picture. So this is very colorful picture. By seeing this, we can identify that there is some sort of connection between these people. Everybody is interconnected to each other. So in this modern world, how do we connect to people? Like with the help of Facebook, with the help of WhatsApp. So we have different connection media to connect to people, right? So likewise, in English language also, when we are saying two ideas together, we need to connect the sentences, or we need to connect the ideas with the help of some connectors. So here the topic is, today we will be studying about connecting phrases. So before starting the topic, I just want to tell you the use of this connecting phrases. So the first use is, it shows relationship between ideas. Like one idea is interrelated to the second idea. So to show that relationship, we use connecting phrases. The second use is that it can be used to join two or more sentences. If you want to join two or more than that sentences, you need some connectors. So connecting phrases are used for that. Then the last thing is that these linking words or phrases can be used to add ideas together. Like I earlier said, when we are communicating one or more ideas, we need some connectors to link them. So they are used to stick the ideas together or contrast them. When we are saying a contrasting opinion or a contrasting idea, we use contrasting phrases. Okay, or to show the reason for something, like this is happening because of this thing. So to show that connection of reason, that for that also we use connecting phrases. So let's just see what are the different connecting phrases. If you want to add two ideas, what are the connecting phrases that we can use? Let's just see. So the first connecting phrase is besides. If you want to add two ideas, then you can use this connector. Let's just see an example of a sentence written with the help of this connector or a phrase, connecting phrase. Like besides, the patient is a non-drinker and a non-smoker. So probably the writer must have written an idea, and after that when he or she need to connect one more idea, then they can use this connecting phrase called besides. I hope this is clear to you. The second connecting phrase is apart from. For an example for this phrase is, apart from the above mentioned medicines, the patient is commenced on metoprolol and Levipil 500 mg. For example, if somebody has written a letter and they have described about some medicines, and later on when they want to add more medicines, they can use this phrase called apart from. So the apart from the above mentioned medicine that was mentioned earlier, so and so medicines are also commenced or started. Okay. The next connecting phrase is in addition to this. For example, if you are writing a letter or an essay, you want to add one more idea apart from the one that you have already written, you can use this phrase. So we'll just see the example. In addition to this, the patient has been advised to undergo radiation therapy. So the physician must have prescribed number of measures, like he has to take pharmacological treatment, somebody has to take other forms of treatment as well. But apart from that, in addition to that, radiation therapy is also required. So one more thing is required. That's why this connector is used in addition to this. Next connector is moreover. The example for this is, moreover, the patient is having mild symptoms of angina. Like if somebody is describing about the sign and symptoms of a patient, and firstly they describe that the patient is having sweating and cold and clammy skin, but they want to add one more symptom. So they can use the connector moreover. Like the patient is having symptoms of cold and clammy skin, sweating. Moreover, the patient is having mild symptoms of angina. So in that term, we can use this connector. Next, connector is not only but also. Let's just see the usage of this connector. Not only the patient is a smoker but also an alcoholic. So when you want to say that a person is doing two activities or having two hobbies at the same time, so you can use this connector. Not only the patient is a smoker but also an alcoholic. One more example to this connector can be, if somebody likes to play music as well as listen to music, so this can be this connector can be, or this phrase can be used as, not only he likes to listen to music but also to play music. So in this sense we can use this phrase. Next connector is additionally. This one is also for addition of ideas. Let's just see the example. Additionally, the patient is on salt restricted diet. So many measures must have been advised to the patient. So additionally, the patient is also on salt restricted diet. So I hope this is clear to you all. Next connector is, or the connecting phrase is, furthermore. Let's just see the example. Furthermore, the patient's son has agreed to look after his daily needs. This connector is also used for addition of some ideas. Okay. Another form of connector is also. Like if you want to add one more idea, you can use this connector. Also, it would be greatly appreciated if you can look after his progress. The next category of connecting phrase is contrast. That means when you are trying to communicate a contrast idea, then you can use such connectors. First one is however. When you want to tell about two contradictory situations, we can use this connector. For example, however, the patient was not satisfied with the pain relief measure. So we can use this connector in terms of, like, you have given too many pain relief medication, too many analgesics to the patient, but the patient is not satisfied with it. So how can you communicate that? Physician prescribed analgesics to the patient. However, the patient was not satisfied with the pain relief measure. So in such contradictory situation, already the physician has prescribed the medicine, but he is not satisfied. So in contradictory situation, we use the connector called however. The second one is in spite of. This is also used in a contradictory situation. Let's just see the example. In spite of all attempts made by the physician, patient developed cardiac arrest. That means the physician has taken all the attempts to make the patient safe, but then also he developed cardiac arrest. So this is also used in terms of contradictory situation. Next connecting phrase is reason. Phrases that shows reason for something. For example, the patient is not accompanied by a relative, hence a nurse is required to monitor his daily activities. Because something is happening, something else has to be done. So in this situation, the patient does not have a relative to take care of him. Therefore, a nurse is required to take care of his daily activities. That's why we use the connecting phrase called hence. The second one is, the patient was not responding well to the antibiotic, so he undergone a culture and sensitivity test. Because the patient was not responding well to the antibiotic, he undergone culture and sensitivity test. Because of this happened. Okay, because he was not responding well to the antibiotic, that's why he undergone a sensitivity and culture test. So because of this happened. Reason for something. So I hope this was clear to you. Some more linking words I have shown in the screen. Like if you want to put emphasis on something, if you want to add something in between sentences, if you want to showcase a contradictory situation, what you can add. If you want to show the order of something, you can use this connecting words. So there are more words that you can use in your letters or your essays, or when you are speaking to a person, you can use all these connectors. I hope you would have enjoyed this video, and the key to everything is practice. Unless and until you will practice this, you won't get it clear. Okay, so keep practicing. Thanks for listening.